Hello everybody, we are group 7 and today we have Kwangmin. Okay, and today we will teach you how to make a delicious homemade pizza. And it's quite basic and simple for anyone can do it, so yeah, let's start. Now, there's something you need to prepare. Firstly, you need a pizza base. Actually, you can mix up and do it at home, but you can easily buy it at the supermarket or bakery too. And we need a cucumber and some cooked ham too. And here we have mozzarella cheese and ketchup. And finally, for a little Italian spirit, we will have oregano. Yeah, so first of all, let's thinly slice the cucumber and do it as well with the cooked ham. Also be careful when using knife. Now, spreading the ketchup all over the pizza base for a sweet and sour flavor for the pizza. Then, for a tasty and cheesy pizza that everyone loves, we'll need to add some mozzarella cheese. Now, move on to the toppings. I will choose cooked hams and sliced cucumbers, but you can feel free to choose your own. Sprinkle some dry oregano to make this pizza more Italy. Finally, bake the pizza at 180 degrees Celsius in 20 minutes in an air fryer for a crispy pizza. You can also use oven if you like. And voila! After 20 minutes, we will have a delicious homemade pizza.